season is far from over, but the Oregon Department of Forestry says it's already a costly fire season.
Yeah, KEZI 9 News reporter Stacey Kafka is live in the studio tonight with more on the costs of fighting these fires. Stacey?
The Oregon Department of Forestry says costs for this fire season are still adding up as crews continue to fight multiple wildfires around the state, including the Yellow Point fire near Cottage Grove. So far, ODF says it spent more than $33 million. ODF says while this isn't looking to be the most expensive year for wildfires, higher than average amounts of land have burned throughout the state this year, making it a costly fire season. Some of the costs to ODF come from paying firefighters, but the most costly item, fighting the fires from the sky.
The very costly items are aircraft comes to mind first, and so we do use a lot of helicopters hauling water buckets and also air tankers dropping liquid fire retardant.
The Oregon Department of Forestry says last year was the most expensive fire season on record, costing the department $75 million. ODF says it won't know the final cost for this year's firefight until months after fire season ends. Live in the studio, Stacey Kafka, KEZI 9 News.